Once you have added all of the photo credits to the photographs and are added the appropriate spacing above the text beneath the photographs and added in the hyperlinks, the one last thing that you're going to do for an article post is add in HTML code for the advertisements that will display in the post. So I'll provide you with the HTML code. There are actually two of them, and you're going to add an HTML code above each photograph in the article post. So you will have access to the HTML code. This is one, and this is the second one. You're going to copy the first code. You're going to go back to the blog post. And like I said, wherever you see a photo, right above that photo, you're going to add in HTML code. So you're going to click the plus. You're going to go over here and click on the text element. Instead of typing and pasting the HTML code here, you're going to click on the A. It's going to bring you to the text edit box. You're going to go and click on the last icon in this menu in the top bar, and you are going to paste the HTML code here. You're going to click save. You'll notice when you get back to the blog post, there will be nothing in the type something text box. You will just have to know that you inputted the HTML code. And if you're ever confused, you can always click on the A and click on the code view and see if it's included in there. So then you'll move on to the next photograph and do the same thing. But on this photograph, you're going to input the second HTML code. So you go back to the codes that are provided for you, copy the second one, go back to the blog post, click the plus, click the text element button, click on the A, click on code view, and paste in the HTML code. Then click save. You're going to do this, like I said, alternating each code for each photograph all the way down the article. An easier way to do this is to copy the first code and place it on every other photograph in the article. Then copy the second code and place it on the photographs that don't have the code above them. Once this happens, once you've completed inputting all of the code, if you want to preview and see if the code took, you can go up to the top of the blog post, click on preview. It'll bring you to a preview of the post, and you'll be able to see if the add code was appropriately inserted. So here we see that there is add code above this first photograph, so it was properly inputted. The second code is a mobile device code, so you're actually not going to be able to see it on a desktop. If you want to check to make sure that the mobile code was inputted correctly, you'll have to view the post on a mobile device. But typically, if you input the codes correctly for every other photograph, you should be able to see an ad on your desktop.